How to create Zoho Mail account. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Zoho Mail account step by step. If you want a free professional email ID with Zoho Mail, just follow along. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. In the search bar, type Zoho Mail and download the official app. Once it's installed, open it. You'll see a short introduction about Zoho Mail. Feel free to read through it, then continue. Now let's create your account. At the bottom, tap on Sign Up. This will take you to the Sign Up page. Here's what you need to do. Enter your first name and last name. Add your mobile number. Make sure it's the one you're currently using. Choose a username. This will become your email ID, ending with zohomail.in. Create a strong password. After filling everything, tick the checkbox and tap Sign Up for free. Next, you'll get a verification code on your mobile number. Enter the code, tap Verify, and wait a few seconds. That's it. Your Zoho Mail account is now created. You'll see your new inbox with a welcome email. Tap the menu icon on the top left to find your Zoho email address, which you can now use to send and receive mails, share documents, and more, just like Gmail. And that's how you create a free Zoho Mail account in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.